wristband and a Bluetooth headset. The first part, you track your activities, your calories, your distance, and track your sleep, deep sleep, light sleep. You can see all this information in Android application and also in iOS application for iPhone and iPad. And the other function is that it's a Bluetooth headset. Use this one as a normal Bluetooth headset.
And there's a battery also in this?
Yeah, they both have batteries. Actually, the talk time, the whole standby time is about 6 days. The material of this is antibacterial and hypoallergic, so you don't get rashes and things like that.
And you have to charge it through?
You charge it through this, yes. Just plug it in the USB port anywhere.
And can you show us what's on the screen?
Yeah.
What functionality you can get there?
You see, like the
clock.
Time, clock, distance, calories, sleep. These are the main features. When somebody calls you, get his name, and then you can see all this information in the Android application or iOS application.
And you can download this application now and check it on your device?
Well, actually,
it's on the App Store right now?
When this will be launched, then will be the application also. But there is application available in the tablets in the front, the X1, there is application available there.
Okay. Thank you.